In this video, I will show you how you can fix DoorDash login error problem. Now, the first thing you should do is check that you have entered the correct username and password for DoorDash login. Now, if they are correct, but you can't still logged into your DoorDash account, then head over to the next step. Now, for the next step, you should check your internet connection. You can restart your router and check again. Also, try to log in with different devices. Now, try another network if this doesn't solve your DoorDash login error. If this is not the case, then move on to the third solution, which is to clear data and cache from the app. Now, for that, tap and hold the app, and there tap on app info option. Now there you will be able to see this clear data option at the bottom of your screen. Tap on that option and there tap on clear all data. Once your data get cleared, head back to the app and there try to get logged into your DoorDash account. Now if this solution also didn't work, then move to the third step, which is to check if there's any kind of update. Now for that, head over to the Play Store and there search for DoorDash Dasher and tap on update button if you can see any kind of update button on your screen. If you can't see your device, and then tap on install button to reinstall the app. And once you're done with it, check if this solution solves your problem. By installing and uninstalling the app, it will clear all the bugs in the app and refreshes the app. So that's how you can solve the problem of DoorDash login error. Hope you liked and found this video useful. If you did, make sure to subscribe, share and give this video a thumbs up. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.